All right, this Kreepy Krauly Kruiser is about, let's see, over 2 years old. Let's fish it out of the pool and try to replace this disc and also the part that goes underneath this thing right down here. Pad foot kit, so they say. All right, let's open this up. All right, not having done this before, let's see what kind of struggles we're in. All right, so that's easy. Let's get rid of that. This is the part that these are the two parts I want to replace. That, and look at that, that's completely deteriorating. I don't know if you can tell, but it's flaking off. So I think this pulls out just like that. This might be problematic. Yikes. Okay, I might need to go get a tool to remove this because this is kind of old. Well, no, maybe not. I can just force this out. There's a little tab right here. There we go. Yikes. Look at how that is completely just flaking off. Wow. All right. So that's that. So that's just been removed. Here's the brand new Pentair pad foot kit for the Cruiser, made in the Czech Republic. Let's open this up. See how much of a struggle it is to get this on there. Look at the difference. Wow. All right, there's an orientation. This little protrusion fits in here, so let's see how well I can do this on camera. This may have something to do with it. We'll see. Struggle with me. Might have to get a screwdriver to help get this on. Or maybe a little bit of lubrication, maybe water, I don't know. Well, this is going to be a struggle. So I might not bore you with the details until I get a screwdriver to fit this in. So I'll be back. Okay, we're back at it. Now I have a tool. Or maybe I'm a tool. Or maybe I'm the tool. Let's see if I can shoehorn this in without hurting myself. So kind of gently work it in here. So it's only this much that I have to get in. Or I can just dig in here. See if I can just forcibly bring this out to the fore, just like that. And move it around there. Make sure this part rotates into place. I think lubricating it before you start might be a good idea. So make sure this tab fits right here. All right, so that's that. All right. So that's this part at the time of this recording is about $17 and change from Amazon. This is a $20 replacement knockoff. Pleated seal automatic pool cleaner replacement parts. Replaces the Pentair parts 370483Z and K12896. Let's open this up and see what we have. It's interesting. The size. Oh, it's folded up into quarters. There you go. When selecting one of these replacements, the key is to make sure this is the right diameter. I believe this is 110 millimeters in diameter. I simply measured this diameter and made sure that this is the right diameter. So I ended up buying this. We'll see how well it works. There is an orientation. It says here, this side up. So make sure you put it in like this. Make sure that side is up. This should be an easy stretch in, just like that. Well, I am sure over time it'll lay flat, but it seems like a fairly soft rubber material. All right, just make sure this lip is above the disc. These right here. It should rotate pretty easily. So there you go. I'm still waiting for this part. This is pretty worn, so I'm waiting for this part to arrive so I can replace it. I think you just pull this out, but this is deteriorating as well. All right, I hope the struggle was helpful to you. For those of you who are thinking about replacing this disc or these replacement parts.